In this course, I will share with you 3 main cloud painting tutorials. Each one is carefully designed to help you understand how I paint soft atmospheric skies. I will explain every step I take and do my best to cover every part of the process. The foundational and practical tips that have taken me years to figure out as a self-taught artist will be explained in their own short videos, like how to hold the brush, how to blend soft edges, and so on. This will explain the language I use in my tutorials. 2 of these tutorials will cover how to create a soft cloudy sky, and the 3rd will cover how to create a single cloud texture that can easily be modified and adapted to fit in any landscape. These final paintings are not the goal in themselves, but a stepping stone to show you how you can start and acquire the skills to blend and texturize clouds, so you can take this process to another level and make it your own. You'll gain confidence with your brushwork, learn how to build texture without overblending, and understand what makes a cloud painting feel finished, capturing the viewer with depth and mood. Let's begin.